What? Hear me, man. Of the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what I want, you know. Carefully. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know what go already. When I come for represent. Full effecting, man. You don't know what go when we load up, aim up, crank up, draw necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me, man. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Nation people, can I flip the script? Yes. I sure can. Hear me now, nation people. Because this thing I get weird right now, you know. Here's what I deal with. What do you hear? I see a bag of people run out on the internet. Then, and the people them say right now, vybz cartel lawyer chat too much. And if you come off of the internet, these people who are saying that, you know, they don't have no fucking law degree, no law diploma, nothing at all about bumbuckler, law and order and justice and courthouse and prosecutor and nothing like that. But yet still, they have the loudest voice on the internet. I tell the lawyer with the law license, you know, saying chat too much. After the lawyer get paid for what me mouth, you know. At that time, professional, the man get paid for talk, you know. These little shishki bag who are run them out, you know, don't, that not up on them resume, you know. But yet still, them run out on the internet all because the heritage of vybz cartel. And I tell the lawyer, say him chat too much, him for come off of the internet. And I be a lie tell and all kind of crap. No, only for see yesterday now. A man come out saying him some advice. I don't know who him fucking advice or whatsoever it may be. But the man claims say, well then, in a vybz cartel case, him claim say, one of the co-accused them ready for take plea bargain and him a go snitch upon the whole organization. Me bumper rascal. Him say he can't talk, him have to just wait till the thing forward out and we will see. Yo, let me tell you something, all propaganda, all hypocrisy, and that are the bumbuckler hate where the man get on the internet from these unscrupulous people, my brother. Yo, if he's a bumbuckler advisor for I don't know who must have for the blood clot court or the prosecutor, I don't know who my advice. But guess what I say? All the fucking case still are going. And him bumbuckler know that as an advisor. Who my advise? One of the co-accused them. Yo, me personally can't tell you, advise none of the man them a liar blood clot tell. You see what I say? Where you get your information from? I don't know. But that's all fucking hypocrisy. You see what I deal with? No joke thing no let about it. I mean not hear nobody on the internet. I tell this guy say him chat to bumbuckler much. And if you come off of the internet with him bumbuckler gas up, because remember, you know, the court still in session, you know. And next week, you know, to the 10th to the 14th, before you know what really are going on, you know. And you, as an advisor, we claim you get information. You get personal and secret information because you can't spill it out until the fucking court. Then tell me now, how the fuck you run out on social media with that? I mean, I hear nobody I tell you say, yo, you chat too much and all this shit. Why? Eh? What kind of lollipop thing I go on? What kind of gimmicks thing I go on? What kind of joke? Eh? How can this be real? You know what I mean? Yo, The prosecutor nah give you no bumbuckler, them nah give you no argument, them nah show them on. Also, Isaac Buchanan, him nah really show you what him have underneath him sleeve. Him just a make you know. So well then the justice system a treat the man unfairly. Because that's what him do. Him is a human rights lawyer. Him know all about them shit there. You see what me a deal with? We do not talk about the rules and the law them where them bumbuckler to change and a forwarding. And it's like a iron fist them a use on the G and a blind to it. All because the heritage of the man. Well no, me see the blood clot advisor come out and I run him out. And I see all type of people I run with him argument. Like this guy argument is solidified and true. You see what I say? Yeah, and me not see the rascal, the lawyer, the rascal, YouTube lawyer them, YouTube prosecutor and YouTube judge them. Me not hear them come out and I say nothing. Instead them run him away and tell him to go away with them hypocrisy. Guess what them do? Eh? Run with him video and then put out that. Because them know say anything on chat about vybz cartel, on supposed to accumulate blood clot views, accumulate money from Google blood clot and accents. Yo, look how crazy these people is. Them not no bumbuckler topic for talk about. But bumbuckler vybz cartel and that them a eat off and that them willing for do and show big hatred. Pussy, make me tell you something, you should have show some gratitude. You see what I say? For you call the man name and accumulate so much views that you can eat off of the video them want to do. Yo, how not deal with the man, so my brother? All the thing I move, so. Me not know how not deal with the man, say, you know. A joke thing we not go on with, you know. Living gimmicks thing, you know. We not rate that, you know. We not deal with it, you know. But guess what? It's only a matter of time for the sister. Yo, one not chat say, one way that do the forward out and chat say, we don't know a living games bumbuckler thing. But them separate the tree, them separate the co-accuse them, everybody in a different cell. And who they tell us them they in the same cell from morning? And that more I know, because first thing me thinking of vybz cartel, they are different facility from them. Me not know, me not sure. But me not think say them they are the same facility. And even if them they are the same facility, they are not in the same cell. Them probably don't even on the same fucking block. You see what I say? These people are people with them hatred to vybz cartel just go on and run them fucking mouth. You notice when him forward out, when him claim say, well then, the man, them that wait for the England Privy Council for come out with the news. And to the news where the Privy Council give them not really confident of them coming out. So that's why them ready for squeal now. Squeal for what? Eh? So them are going to talk about which part dead body there and how it happen and who do it. Are you fucking crazy? Wanna plan up, wanna cook up. Me I wonder if that boy there will come out if him a work for somebody. If somebody put a apple in him bumbuckler mouth or a leech around him neck, that him can come out at this particular time for run him mouth the way how him do. Yo, let me tell you something. Nobody no bumbuckler believe you, especially Gaza nation. We have to see that first. And guess what? We are all witnesses. So we will see. Because these are the things them want to forward on the internet with, you know. Because you don't want to bring down the man, you don't bumbuckler do nothing more than come out on the internet and run on the mouth some ridiculous way. Something want to have no proof. Because if you go chat so big and bold, you're supposed to give with facts and proof. No gimmicks thing that about it. YouTube is a very wide platform. So when you come out on YouTube and run your mouth, it's supposed to be facts and proof. You're not supposed to come out on the internet and run your bumbuckler mouth them way there without no facts. And then you want to hide it up and dress it up and talk about, yo, you can't talk certain things. Then what the bumper ass clot you come out in the first place and talk said then. If you're not going to go all the way, where you come out for with your peace and patch up and beat up story. Me tell you about the hate for the man, you know. It's real. You see what I say? Not give mixed thing that dead about it. And I see say these people are certain people alone who no want chat about. I get for find out it's a go along, get along gang. No give mixed thing that dead about it. You see what I deal? It's all about who you like and who you prefer. Everybody bumbo cloth circle around dancehall intimidated at the present of Vybz Kartel, my brother. Everybody were around dancehall and associate themselves with dancehall. Intimidated at the present of Vybz Kartel freedom. Even the bumbo cloth are the artists, them fans. Yo, this shit crazy. But anyway, nation people, freedom the right on the corner, you know. Because I think, you know, and I feel almost like Vybz Kartel I go forward out for Father's Day. What a great looking Gaza nation. Me don't see it. All my guns see it. What? And the general, the 10-star wanna represent nation people. Oh.